Okay, so that was a little bit crazy because I just made it right now disappear. Wow, how would I do that? So I'll show you, okay? So don't look. Okay, so first, put wherever I want that to be. First, get an assistant to help you. Second, just do what you did before, what I did. Make sure he's as fast as the speed of sound. And he's like faster than that, okay? So I'm going to start it with 1, 2. So let's just pause it right there, okay? And without me, the assistant comes, and here it is in slow motion. Ready? And with me, while he's doing that, I go like this. And it goes away. And that's how I simply do it. So first, get a person to help you. Second, make sure that person is is faster than the speed of sound, and make sure he does it. Okay? So, wasn't that easy? You try it right now, and oh my god, it's so easy. Okay, so that's all. Bye.